The Child Tax Credit, CTC, is a tax benefit provided by the U.S. government to help families offset the costs of raising children. It reduces the amount of federal income tax you owe and, in some cases, may even result in a refund. The credit is aimed at providing financial support to families with dependent children under a certain age. Here's how it works. For the 2023 tax year, the Child Tax Credit is worth up to $2,000 per qualifying child under the age of 17. Of this amount, up to $1,500 can be refundable, meaning you could receive it as a refund even if you don't owe federal taxes. To qualify, the child must be your dependent, be under 17 at the end of the tax year, have a valid Social Security number, live with you for more than half the year. The credit begins to phase out if your modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, exceeds certain thresholds: $200,000 for single filers and $400,000 for married couples filing jointly. For every $1,000 over the threshold, the credit is reduced by $50 per child. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you're a married couple with 2 children under 17 and a MAGI of $100,000. You qualify for the full $2,000 per child, giving you a total of $4,000 in child tax credit. If you owe $3,000 in federal taxes, the credit reduces your tax bill to $0, and you could potentially receive up to $1,500 as a refund for the refundable portion. One of the unique aspects of the child tax credit is its refundability. This feature is particularly helpful for families with lower incomes who may not owe much in taxes, but still qualify for a partial refund. For example, if you owe no federal taxes but qualify for the refundable portion, you could receive up to $1,500 per child as a tax refund. To claim the child tax credit, you'll need to file Form 1040 and include Schedule 8812 credits for qualifying children and other dependents with your tax return. The IRS will calculate your eligibility and the exact amount of your credit based on your income, number of children, and other factors. It's important to note that the child tax credit has undergone changes in recent years. During the pandemic, the credit was temporarily expanded under the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, increasing the amount and making it fully refundable for 1 year. For 2023 and beyond, it has reverted to its original terms, with a maximum of $2,000 per child.